Go ahead and add 1.5 ounces of Maker's Mark. Fuck me. What's up guys, it's me Josh, the unofficial Disney guide, coming right back at you again with another episode in our series, Drinking Like Disney, where I recreate some of our favorite drinks from around the park at Disneyland, and today we're continuing at Lamplight Lounge, making the Sunrise Spectacular. It's a nice take that Lamplight Lounge did, one-upping the typical frat boy Kentucky sunrise of just orange juice and bourbon and taking it up just a notch. So go ahead, sit back, relax, enjoy this cocktail, go ahead and smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and be sure to turn on the bell for notifications so you know when we make more cocktails to get your buzz going. Now let's get drinking. Alright guys, so literally 4 ingredients. All it is going to be is tropical juice blend, Maker's Mark whiskey, agave nectar, and our favorite Angostura bitters. And that's it. That's how simple this recipe is that Disneyland makes. Okay guys, first things first, we're gonna grab an old-fashioned glass, or really any type of glass you wanna use, it doesn't really matter, and we're gonna throw just a couple ice cubes into it, 2, 3, 4, whatever, but don't fill it up too much. Okay, now we're gonna take our Maker's Mark whiskey here, and we're gonna go 2 ounces, so a little bit more than a shot, but a little bit to get us going. Now, we already have a very good glass of just whiskey here, bourbon that we could be drinking, but we're gonna go ahead and add 1 dash right now of Angostura bitters to that.
1 dash right now of Angostura bitters to that.
Now to our bitters and our whiskey, we're gonna go ahead and add in some tropical juice blend. You can use store-bought, you can make your own. I don't really know what Disneyland uses, but I know that there's passion fruit in it, and pineapple juice, and something else that I'm not cool enough to know. But go ahead and fill that nearly to the top. Now, one of the finishing touches in it that Disneyland does is they're gonna add in some agave nectar to it. Just a bar spoonful will do you justice. And give that a very good mix around just to get that nectar off the spoon. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be sweet, it's gonna be smooth. And now go ahead and give it 1 last dash of Angostura bitters on top for a nice little color blend on there. Now go ahead and top that off with an orange wedge, and there you have it. That's as simple as this drink is. All it's missing is our Lamplight Lounge coaster, which we always have readily available. And that's all it takes, folks. Whether you're rushing Slugma Slugma, Uzma Kappa, or Roar Omega Roar, you are sure to make yourself stand out this year at Monsters University. I hope you enjoyed watching me make the Sunrise Spectacular. Enjoy. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I know I'm gonna enjoy drinking the drink, but go ahead and give a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for notifications for future drink recipes. And for even more drink recipes, go on Instagram and follow Darling of Disney. That's D-A-R-L-I-N-G of Disney. Thanks for watching. Hope you tune in next week.